Well guys, we are continuing this mail call. We got another package. It's actually sitting on the side. Don't know if we're going to get to that in this episode, but here we go. We got some more goodies for the collection. So welcome back to the channel. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everyone out there. Hopefully you all are having a great weekend and finding some goodies out in the wild like we did. We scored some goodies. And of course, the first one is the new Joey Logano release from NASCAR Authentic. This is the 2026 Wave 601 Alpha. Definitely digging this one. So we had recently picked up the number 2 Freightliner sitting right there. The rest are pretty much the Camaros, but you have 2 Mustangs, 3 Mustangs actually. Still have to find the Menards. Dang, I still have to find that one. But either way, we still collect all of the Joey Loganos as well as any Mustang that comes out from the 7th gen NASCARs. And of course, here are all of my Joeys. And then of course, the number 2 Austin Cindric. Definitely do like that one. So I'll be opening up this one later on as well. I might take some really cool pictures of this. And I'm really digging the new scheme for this. Normally the 22 slanted, but they went a little bit more playful on this. I don't know, I'm digging it. I've always been a fan of the Pennzoil shell livery. Just love the colors of it. So there is that piece. And then of course we have this one that we just picked up from Hobby Lobby. Check it out, fresh from Greenlight, that 67 coupe. This one has the little ski racks on there, but it also has really nice baby blue metallic with a drifted frost look. Check it out. You have the little garbage pail kids with the snowflake, white walls, white interior, and then of course the GBK up on the roof. So another garbage pail kids. Now I'm a huge fan of this 67. We have found a couple iterations of it and they are sitting here. So we have this baby blue 67. We also have the Ski Country Special. Then we have the green Ski Country Special. And then when it comes to the garbage pail kids, we have the 66 GT350 right there. And I believe that's the only other garbage pail kid car as far as Mustangs that we have in the collection. So this actually makes number 2 for GPK, but a huge fan. So we had went to Hobby Lobby and there was nothing on the pegs. But then at the end of the aisle, there was a whole bunch of totes full of inventory that they were just like putting back on the pegs. So my daughter and I were like, huh, look at that one. That one's full of cars. So I kind of dug through and this was sitting in there. So definitely stoked for this piece. This is a beautiful 67. So there we go. Keep your eyes out at Hobby Lobby for that Greenlight. And then of course we scored this one. Check it out. The new 2020 Shelby GT500 in this gray and black setup. This is so cool. My buddy Chad actually had seen this at Walmart and he sent me a picture and I had to go get it. So again, huge thanks to Chad for staying on top of the pullbacks. This is a beauty. I do need to open these up. I have a couple other ones that are sitting up here, like the 269s right there, the 2 recolors. And then of course we still have some other ones carded. These are our extras right here, these 4, because the other ones I do have open down here. So those are just extras, that's why they're still in the package. But I gotta open these up. These things look really good for the pullbacks from Hot Wheels. Look at that. I wish they put the correct wheels on it, but either way, it is, man, that is an awesome color setup. Very realistic in color scheme. Huge fan of that one. So keep your eyes out for this piece at Walmart. I don't really see those at Target too often. I don't even think they have them at Target, do they? I don't know. But anyways, here are the pieces from Bob. So if you guys tuned in to Prelude Boy 99's live stream that we did, or podcast, I featured this one. This is an awesome car right here. Check it out, guys. This Mustang Custom. This is a One Bad Ride release, and he put those blue chrome wheels, which really tied it all together. So he actually had this in a parts box. He He has a whole box full of cars and parts, and he said this was just in there, just sitting in there, no wheels, no nothing. So he kind of polished it up, removed some scuffs and scratches that were on there, and then put the wheels on it. And I think that looks so good. I mean, this is a larger than 164. I think it's like a 150 something. I don't know what they put their scales at. Let's see. Is it on the original package? Because we have some right here. It says 164, but that is huge. Because that's 164. Look how much larger it is. I don't know. That is massive for a 164. But definitely loving this release right here, man. Especially how he put the wheels on it. I think that looks so good. Man, look at that interior. You got nitrous bottles in the back, roll cage, two-tone interior, and gauge details. Look at that. This thing is awesome, man. Definitely love it. And yeah, every time I see Bob. But the saddest thing is Bob is no longer in the traders market. The weekend I went and got those, that was his last weekend there. I think he's setting up closer to his house, which is maybe 45 minutes, an hour away. Hopefully I can make some time out there. He just had a yard sale I missed out on, so I know a couple buddies picked up some really cool stuff from his house, from what he sold. But it is what it is, guys. I'm going to still stay in touch with Bob, and hopefully we can still get some customs, because you guys know Bob has some really cool stuff. And speaking of, he gifted this for Father's Day. If you guys remember, I had kind of sneak peeked this one as well on Prelude Boy 99's podcast. And oh my gosh, he gave it to me. So I had taken a picture and had it in one of my episodes with the 65s. And I said he didn't want to get rid of it. So I went over there. He was like, hey, one of these cars is for you and the other one is a Father's Day gift. So I bought that one off of him, and then he gifted this for Father's Day. This Supra is amazing. Look at that orange finish. Now those wheels are off of the Cartoon brand, and it fits. I mean, yeah, they're huge, but I'm pretty shocked that they fit in there. And then you can see he chopped the top on this one. He even cut the windows. That's super cool. I love how he did that, man. This is a really sweet piece. Now, if I had the ability to make tampos, I would 100% make this the Fast and the Furious one, but I just do not have that. Ooh, almost fell off there. But I think he did a phenomenal job on this one. And I know Chris is watching this kind of drooling because I sent him pictures of it. This is, man, this is nice. Such a great Father's Day gift from Bob. Those were the last two customs I got from him. I will say that Supra is top notch. If you guys agree, let us know in the comments. Let's go ahead and move this out because we have the package from my buddy Ragin' Diecast. Like I said, it's a really cool piece. Can't wait to open it. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, here we go. First out is a sticker. Here we go, Diecast Man Shop. Check him out. Check out the website. I think that guy has a character. You guys let me know. Very common in the car scene. I believe he's even on this one. Yeah, he's on that one. Let me know, because I don't think it's associated with Ratfink, because I think that's a totally different character. But you guys let me know. Spin me up on the car culture, because I always see this guy. There's the address. If you're in Ohio, which, dang it, there's been a few times I've been there. Wish I would have known about this place. All right, so keep that in mind, guys. Diecast Man Shop. Check out the website. I've seen some really cool stuff off of Ragin' Diecast's IG. So also be sure to go support my man on his social media links. All right, now this piece right here, when my buddy Ragin' sent this, it looked pretty freaking sweet. So I'm actually very excited to add this to the collection. For those who aren't familiar of IXO, that's what brand this is. All right, here we go. Look at this piece right here, guys. That is awesome. Oh, that is beautiful. Got the Boss 429. Look at the detail of this thing. Oh man, that is really nice. USA Edition IXO model cars. 143 scale. You got the 409 Boss license plate. Dude, that detail is amazing. I'm totally digging this. Yeah, that is sweet, man. Alright, so I'm not going to open it just yet. I'm going to save that for a YouTube short. I'm going to go ahead and do all that unboxing stuff there. So if you want to see the details, stay tuned for that one. But huge thanks to my buddy Ragin for sending this piece. And of course, like I mentioned, check out Diecast Man Shop on Diecast Man Shop's website. So very cool stuff. I think he has a huge variety of IXO diecast. But I am actually really impressed with the detail. Like, I am digging the wheels, man. Those are super accurate. Man, that's just a really nice. I mean, even the interior, you got the wood grain around the instrument cluster, the steering wheel. Man, that's a nice piece. Definitely liking that. So here we go, guys. Here is our latest addition to the collection. We got some 143s. We got the Hot Wheels pullback of the 2020 GT500, the IXO Boss 429. We also got the Joey Logano NASCAR Authentics and the Greenlight 67 from the Garbage Pail Kids series. So outside of that stuff, of course, we can never forget Bob's Customs, the gifted Supra for Father's Day, and the One Bad Ride Mustang. We're going to continue to add a bunch of new additions to the collection. I'm always out there trading, always out there hunting, and of course, very thankful to those who send me stuff like this. So be sure to go check out Ragin Diecast and Diecast Man Shop and check out their stuff. Give them support. But other than that, I have nothing else for you. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below your favorite from this episode. And happy Father's Day to everyone out there. If you haven't, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future content. And until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.